Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Members of the shipping industry say they're paying more money to bring goods from the United States to Jamaica. They say it's linked to industrial matters in North America. Javon Keys reports.
While shipping costs have been trending down since the pandemic, freight forwarders say they are seeing increased expenditure.
This is especially the case as fuel prices and wages increased in a number of states.
The price of trucking, the steamship line has incurred a fuel charge based on the fuel charge and how the fuel goes up. And it impacts us a lot also because we have to charge a little bit more, but we cannot pass that on to our customers. So most of the time we have to absorb it. And for example, New York minimum wage was like $8.50 per hour. Recently they have increased it twice. It's like $15 an hour that we have to pay. And we can't pay our staff $15 an hour, so we have to increase it. So the price of everything, as everything, inflation takes it, everything in this world, it has to go up.
With the impact of the Israel-Hamas war on fuel prices and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine turmoil, there is still uncertainty about when those costs could come down.
Meanwhile, with the Christmas season around the corner, President and CEO of Dennis Shipping, Dennis Hawthorne, says they are expecting a rush.
One of the problems that arises is that most of them are coming back to Jamaica during the Christmas. So they don't want to ship it and it's sitting at the port and they don't want anyone to pick it up while it's here. So they ship it a little bit late and they have a backlog at the port, each port, Kingston Port, Montego Bay Port. So we have congestion and there's a lot more people that are shipping recently.
As for the future of the industry,
artificial intelligence is a big deal now. Are you seeing more and more use of AI in your industry, and are you implementing more AI in what you do?
Well, that's the way to go nowadays. We cannot avoid that because that's the future that we are going in. So we're looking at that, how we can transit to utilize the robots and everything to do our work.
Reporting from day 2 of the Thorpex Investment Conference in Negril, Westmoreland, I'm Javon Keys, TVJ News.
All categories of fuel will decline effective Thursday. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $4.50 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also decline by $4.50. The price of kerosene will also go down by $4.50. Propane is down 58 cents, while butane will decline by $1.21. Each gas station will make adjustments to the rates. The Jamaican dollar lost 9 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Wednesday. It now costs an average $156.76 for $1 US. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.93. $194.46 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.94. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 58 points today, while the junior market increased by 47 points. Among the 50 winners, CAC 2000, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Sterling Investments, Jamaica Accident Insurance Company, that's General Accident Insurance Company, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. The 13 losers were led by Palace Amusement, Salada Foods Jamaica, Edufocal, Kingston Wharves, and JMMB Group 7.25% VRCR Jamaican dollar shares. 13 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading on Wednesday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.